Dumbbells are the most versatile and effective exercise tool ever developed for strength training. You know the versatility of PowerBlocks, but what about quality? This video demonstrates the quality built into one of the most popular strength training products available, the PowerBlock. This is a story of an old set of PowerBlocks left for dead on a pool deck at a beach house in Florida. They sat dormant, exposed to the elements for about a year, until I found them posted on Craigslist for $100 and gave them a new home. I was saving up for a new set of PowerBlocks when I saw the listing. I figured $100 plus a drive to the beach, a few cans of paint, and a lot of hard work. It was a challenge I was willing to take on. Rust, metal's worst enemy. A couple of the blocks had to be separated with a hammer to loosen them up. Did I waste my money? Well, let's find out. After this experience, I can tell you that PowerBlocks are not only versatile, but they are definitely a quality product. See for yourself. With a little TLC, these things are as good as new. They work great, they feel great, and I have nothing but high regard for the quality of this product. Furthermore, when I called the company and told them I was restoring an old set of PowerBlocks, they treated me as if I had bought them brand new. They were extremely friendly, very helpful, and they still support every product they've ever made. In conclusion, I am extremely happy, and there is no doubt in my mind this product is built to last. Are you interested in purchasing a set of dumbbells? Consider the PowerBlock. I guarantee it's money well spent. Dumbbells are the most versatile and effective exercise tool ever developed for strength training.